Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Students, today's session is very important. In this session, we cover complete concept of chapter Circle Class 6 DAV Public School Cuttack. If you are new in my channel, then you can subscribe my channel for more video. I already cover the chapter Introduction to Algebra. Okay, if you not see the session, then you can see by click on I button or go to playlist. So let us start the session. After this session, then you can define or explain the concept of the circle. Okay, then you can identify the different part of the circle, know the relation between the radius and the diameter of the circle. Okay, now construction of the circle, then you know the difference between radius, chord and the diameter. Also know about the arc, sector and segment. Okay, then also know the circumference of the circle and solve the problem. Okay, so let us start the session. So first look at the pictures. Okay, so tell me, have you seen all the picture? If yes, then tell me what are the pictures. Now first picture is bangles, then roti, and the third one is clock and smile. Yes or no? Can you tell me what are the common in them? Yes, they are common in their shape. Yes or no? And the shape is called circle. Understand? Now, then what is circle? The circle is a closed curve in a plane. So tell me what is plane? Now plane means the figure or the plane can be extended in all directions. Okay, plane can be extended in the all directions. So when we draw a curve closed figure, then it is called circle. Okay, now a circle can be drawn with the help of the circular object, that is coin, bangle. Okay, now circle in our daily life. Okay, you can see the cycle, wheel, okay, in flag, then decorative purpose, coin, DVD, CD. Yes or no? These are circle uses or in day-to-day life. Then circle in sports, okay, in basketball, and in the Olympic games, the force ring, this is also circle. And also circle in cartoon movie, that is their ear, okay, face, they are also circle. Also many musical instruments have a circular face are there, like tabla and bingo drums, okay, bass drums, these are the circular face. Now we know about different part of the circle. Okay, so tell me, if a circle, we completely have the circle. Okay, suppose this is a circle, then we have it. Then this is called semicircle. This one is called semicircle. If semicircle will be half, this is called quarter. So tell me what is quarter? Now quarter is the half of the semicircle. Okay, or you can say that 1/4 of the circle is called quarter. Understand? Now center of the circle. Okay, so what is the center of the circle? The center of the circle is the point which is equidistant from all the point on a circle. Okay, this equal to this are called center. A circle has one and only one center. Here O is the center. So understand what is center. Now coming to the next part, that is radius. So tell me what is radius? Now a line segment that join any point on a circle to its center is called radius. Means the line segment, we know the line segment has two endpoints. The first endpoint from center to the circle, this is called radius. And the radii is the plural form of the radius, means one is radius, more than one is radii. Okay, and infinite number of radius we can draw a circle, and all the radius are equal. Okay, all the radius are equal, or all the radii are equal. Okay, so next that is diameter. So what is diameter? Now the line segment that join any 2 point on a circle that passes through the center is called diameter. Okay, this one is diameter. Also we can draw another diameter. Okay, this one is also a diameter. Suppose C and D. This is C and D. CD also a diameter. So how many diameter we can draw? Infinite. Okay, and all the diameter are equal. Okay, a circle can have a many diameter. All the diameter are equal in length, and AB, PQ, MN are the diameter of the circle. Okay, if the question asks write the diameter, write all the diameter in the given figure. You can write yes or no. यदि वीडियो पसंद लगे वीडियो को लाइक करो. Now relation between radius and the diameter of the circle. Then what is the relation? Now we know that when we draw two radius, then it becomes diameter. Yes or no? So now we can see that the diameter of the circle is twice length of the radius. Means suppose this is one radius. Suppose this is A and O. Suppose we draw another radius, that is O and B. So now AB is a diameter. Yes or no? So radius OA plus radius OB form one diameter, that is AB diameter. Means 2 radius, but 2 into radius equal to diameter. So we can say that diameter equal to 2 into radius. Understand? So next, solve these questions. If the radius equal to 14 centimeter, tell me what is the diameter. Now we know that from the relation that radius equal to how much? Now diameter divided by 2, and the diameter equal to 2 into radius. Okay, so here we find the diameter. So what is the radius? The diameter formula is 2 into radius, that is 14. So 2 into 14, that is 28 centimeter. Similarly, we can find 17 2 ja 34, 8.6. So 2 6 ja 12, carry 1, 2 8 ja 16, 1 17, that is 17.2 centimeter. Okay, this homework, comment karo answer. Now find the diameter if the radius are given. Diameter means half, sorry, radius means half. So 3 by 2, that is 1.5. So if diameter equal to 3 centimeter, find radius. So radius formula is diameter by 2. Now put the value, that is 3 by 2. So now 3 by 2 means 3 by 2 equal to 1.5 centimeter. Any doubt? And the third one, second one is 9.2, that is 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 6 ja, that is 4.6 centimeter radius. Here is 2.9, here is 2 3 ja 2 8 ja 3.8. Okay, next part, that is the chord of the circle. Then what is chord? Now if a point is A, suppose here is a point and here is B point. So tell me the line segment joining the 2 point on the circle is called the chord of the circle. Okay, the line segment that join 2 point on the circle is called chord. Here AB is the chord. So how many chord we can draw? Infinite, many. Yes or no? If the chord passes through the center, it is called diameter. Now diameter is the largest chord of the circle. Okay, so all the chords are not equal. Okay, remember all the diameter are equal and radius are equal, but all the chord are not equal. But largest chord is diameter, means all the diameters are chord. Okay, so now next part, that is arc of the circle. Then what is arc? This is a circle. Okay, then arc, what is arc? Now arc is the part of the circle. Suppose this is K, this point is K, and this one is M, and this is L. So arc is KLM. So KLM is part of the circle. Now the part of the circle is called arc. Means what is arc? The definition is arc is the distance between the any 2 point on the circumference of the circle is called arc, or you can simply say that part of the circle. and arc is named by the 3 point. When you write the arc, remember you write the 3 points, that is K, L and M. Suppose tell me another points. So here is A, here is B, here is C. So what is the arc name? A, C and B. Okay. Now third point in the middle. Next, arc is of two types. One is minor arc, means small arc is called minor arc, and the remaining arc is called major arc. Okay, tell me here the major arc is K, Y and L. Yes or no? And the minor arc is KXL. Okay. So an arc divides the circle into two parts. The smaller arc is called minor arc and the larger one is called major arc. Understand? And this is the example of the arc. Rainbow be arc hote, and this is the bridges. Okay. Now semicircle. Then what is semicircle? Half of the circle is called semicircle. Okay. How to write the semicircle? Same arc type. First, remember, half of the circle is called semicircle. A semicircle is also an arc of the circle. It is also an arc. And also remember next part, that is circumference of the circle. Then what is circumference of the circle? Now remember, in a rectangle you know that the perimeter of the rectangle means all the boundary length of all the boundaries or no. Similarly, perimeter, in case of perimeter means in rectangle perimeter is also equal to in square circumference, means perimeter of the circle is also known as circumference of the circle. Okay, means total length of the boundary of the circle is called circumference. Okay, the measurement of the boundary of the circle is called perimeter of the circle. Now you remember the perimeter of the circle formula is 2 into pi into r. What is pi? Pi is a constant number. So pi value is 22/7 or 3.14. Okay. So also you remember circumference equal to 2 pi r, or you can say that pi d, because 2r equal to r d. So here is pi. So also remember pi d. If diameter, then pi d, radius means 2 pi r. Okay. You can remember twinkle twinkle little star, circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Okay. Now the marking scheme means how the mark will be obtained. Suppose a questions, where is the shape of the circle of the sides is given, which is bent to form a circle, then the circumference of the circle means the questions kon kochi. Now suppose a where of the shape of square, gote square shape gote where achi, this is where, a side given achi, that is 4.6 centimeter. Okay, the question is आपको हमें बेंड करके कौन फॉर्मेशन करिबा ना सर्कल, मते को कोनटा इक्वल हे जिवो, सर्कमफरेंस और पेरीमीटर इक्वल हे जिवो. सो टेल मी व्हाट इज द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द स्क्वायर? ना दैट इज 4a इक्वल टू perimeter of the circle. So tell me the perimeter or circumference of the circle is 4 into a equal to 4.6, means simply we multiply 4 into 4.6, then answer will be get. So now write down perimeter of the square equal to circumference of the circle, then 1 mark. Now circumference of the circle equal to 4 into side of the circle, that is 0.5 mark, then solve kale 1 mark. So answer is therefore circumference of the circle is 18.4 centimeter, ये half mark. So last को therefore compulsory लिखिबो. Okay, लिखिले half mark मिलिबो. Next question number 2, if the circumference of the circle with radius is given, okay, r equal to given, and center O is equal to 22, means circumference given and radius is given, then find the perimeter of the quarter. Tell me what is perimeter? Perimeter means total length of the boundary. So से questions को जो हमारा अच्छी हाँ ये जो क्वार्टर ऑफ पेरीमीटर मीन्स दिस लेंथ प्लस दिस लेंथ, दिस इज आर मीन्स 2r, okay, 2r plus this length, this is arc. Total means when we draw the total circle length is how much? Na 22 बिकज यहाँ गोटे हाफ कौन अच्छे क्वार्टर अच्छे माने 4 डिवाइड कले पार्ट बाहरी जीवो कहीं टोटाल हूँ 22 ये पार्ट के ना डिवाइडेड बाय 4 कहीं इक्वल पार्ट आम डिवाइड कर 4 पार्ट रे क्वार्टर मीन्स इक्वली 4 पार्ट सो डिवाइड कर दियो 22 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 ओके जहाँ बाहर से आंसर तो लिखिबो केमती फर्स्ट राइट डाउन द सर्कमफरेन्स ऑफ द सर्कल दैट इज 22 सेंटीमीटर now circumference of the quarter that is 5.5 means divided by with 4 because all part are equal because we converted into 4 equal part quarter means 4 equal part that's why this part length okay means this part length is 22 by 4 okay now r means 2 into radius now put the value and solve the questions now 5.5 plus 2 into 3.5 that is answer is 12.5 centimeter. Understand? Now write down the therefore. Therefore, the perimeter of the quarter is 12.5 centimeter. Okay. Next concept is interior and the exterior point of the circle. Simple. Interior means inside, exterior means outside of the circle. Tell me inside point is A, O and D and outer is C, B and okay only C and B. Okay. And tell me the point which lie on the circumference. Now that is Q, P, same Q and P. Clear? Now this is important. What is segment of the circle? What is segment? The segment is the region of the circle which is bounded by an arc with the chord. This is called segment. Okay. So remember, and here is 2 segments and one is minor segment, another is major segment. Similar arc type. Okay. So minor segment is MNK or MKN. Okay, MKN is the minor segment and MPN is the major segment. Understand what is segment? Segment means chord with arc. Combined region is called segment. Then what is sector? Similarly, sector means arc with radius by radii. 2 radii with arc is called sector. So here sector is the region of the circle which is bounded by the arc of the circle and the 2 radius connecting the end of the point of the arc is called sector. Similarly, here is minor sector and the major sector. Okay. Now, the next concept is construction of the circle. Okay. How to construct the circle? Now, by using scale, pencil and the compass. Okay. So, now using the ruler, scale means ruler, compass and pencil we can draw the circle and step the construction. First we have to construct the circle having suppose given is 4 radius means radius is given that is 4 centimeter. How to draw? Now the first step is fix small and sharpen pencil to the pencil holder arm of the compass. Okay. Next, open the arm of the compass so that the needle like arms and the pencil arm are 4 centimeter apart. Okay. And the next step is mark the point O and the circle. Okay. Now rotate the pencil hair around the center point mark O. Then now the circle radius 4 centimeter is constructed. Because similar. First we suppose this is scale. So scale number. ए स्केल रे इटा रखिबो सपोज इटी 0 अछि एमती 4 अछि तो इटी कंपास एमती रखिबो नाउ एतिक सेंटीमीटर अपार्ट रे कोन करबो ना गोटे राउंड बुले दबो ओके इफ द डायमीटर इज गिवन ना फर्स्ट यू फाइंड द रेडियस देन सर्कल इट अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू कंस्ट्रक्ट द सर्कल नाउ मार्किंग स्कीम केमती मार्क आसीबो ना फर्स्ट सपोज गिवन अछि draw the circle having the radius is 5.6 centimeter and measure the radius. Okay. First हमें कौन करिबा ना 5-6 centimeter आगो radius find out कर दबा. Okay. और first similarly को मैं कौन करिबो आगो radius draw करिबो 5.6 that is 2.8. Okay. 2.8 गोटे गोल बुले दबो then आगो diameter गोटे draw कर दियो AB. Okay. Now measure करो radius. Okay. Now draw the line segment XY and length 7 cm at X and draw the circle. Means first we draw the line segment. Okay. And the line segment draw karo that is 7 cm. Now at X here is Y and X रे में कौन करिबा ना गोटे सर्कल ड्रॉ करिबा 4 सेंटीमीटर ओके गोटे 4 सेंटीमीटर ड्र कर एंड y 3.2 ओके 3.2 सर्कल गोटे ड्र कर सॉरी 3.2 गोटे सर्कल ड्र कर नाउ व्हाट यू ऑब्जर्व ना दे intersect each other at 2 points. This is M, this is N. Clear? Also circle use in art integration. Drawing use karo tame, yes or no? Arc, circle, semicircle. Okay, different crafts using the circle. Now solve the activity. So रिकल करिए हमें जहाँ पढ़े फर्स्ट सेंटर सेंटर कौन ना सेंटर दिस इज द रेडियस दैट इज ओ एम डायमीटर वन ड्रॉ डायमीटर दैट इज ए बी रेडियस एम ओ रेडियस डायमीटर इज डी ई एंड कॉर्ड इज पी क्यू एनी पॉइंट देन दिस इज आर्क दैट इज पी क्यू आर ओके then semicircle means half diameter draw kar le semicircle. So let us play a game. So tell me the distance between any 2 point on a circumference, that is 1. So 1 is 1 2 sorry तीनटा पॉइंट तीनटा आंसर आसीबो that is arc A R C okay. So लिखियो arc A R C. Now a line segment that join any 2 point in the circle. 2 point in the circle is chord. C ru start होइतो कि ना chord. तापरे diameter D ru start होइतो okay. You can solve first होच arc and the second one is line segment that join any 2 point in the circle, that is chord. Now line segment that join any 2 point in the circle and passes through the center, that is diameter. Then radius R start होइतो कि radius line segment that join the center of the circle and the point of the circle, that is radius. Then half of the circle is called semicircle. Complete. Now you can determine the center, yes or no, radius of the circle. Now you can draw the circle by using given radius or diameter. Now you can various terms of the circle like sector, segment, chord, radius, diameter, arc, semicircle. Okay. Now solve the problem using the formula that is 2 pi r. एटा हमें करने ठीक है solve करिबा. Suppose r is given. Suppose the radius of the circle is r equal to 24. Sorry. 7 centimeter. Find the circumference. Circumference formula is 2 pi r, yes or no? And we know that pi value is 22 by 7 into r. R equal to 7. So 7 cancel, that is 44 centimeter. Means circumference is 44 centimeter. Okay. This is concept map. How to remember? Now we know that what is circle. Okay. And how to construct the circle by using either circular object or compass, and different part, that is center, radius, diameter, chord, arc, circumference, segment, sector, and the relation between diameter and the radius equal to D equal to 2r. Okay. यदि वीडियो पसंद लगे देन वीडियो को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करो. ओके, थैंक यू.